In this presentation, we're going to create our cloud account with AWS. This is going to be the account that we're going to use for the rest of the course. First thing you need to do is pick an email that you're going to use. You're going to enter your billing information, you're going to validate your account over the phone with Amazon, and then you're going to wait for Amazon to validate the billing information. The whole process, start to finish, should take less than 5 minutes. Before we get started, there's several things that you need. The first is an AWS account email. My recommendation is not to use your personal email. This is going to be an email address that many people inside of your organization will need. So pick something like aws-account@mydomain.com. In our example, we're actually going to break this rule, but remember when you're entering your account information, try to set up that AWS account email. You'll also need a valid credit card, and this is going to be the card on which all of your Amazon services are going to be charged. You'll also need to be next to a phone where Amazon can call you immediately. They do this as part of their validation process. Let's go ahead and get a start. If you flip over to a web browser, please browse with me to aws.amazon.com and click this sign up button. Now, if you've already created an Amazon account, you're going to see your email address populated here. You're free to use that account if you choose for the rest of the course. We're actually going to create one here. Let's choose an email address and leave the I am a new user selected. Here we're going to enter our full name, and we're going to choose a password and push continue. On the next screen, you'll enter your contact information, which I've already populated here. Make sure to scroll down and enter the exact same text as they have for your image, and don't forget to click the checkbox indicating that you've read the service agreement. Highly recommended that you actually do read the service agreement. Once you're done, push create account and continue. On this page, we go ahead and enter our credit card information, which has been blurred out here, and push continue. And then we're presented with the telephone identity verification pages. Customers who are familiar with Amazon's instant video service will recognize this verification step. Basically, what we'll do is give Amazon a number to call us back on. We'll enter a single-use PIN that's provided by our browser into our telephone, and that will verify that we are the person who's requesting access to Amazon. First of all, let's go ahead and enter our phone number and push Call Me Now. As soon as we do that, we're going to see a single-use PIN pop up. Go ahead and enter that PIN into your telephone keypad. And as soon as you do, we'll hit Step 3, Identity Verification Complete. Let's go ahead and push Continue. In this final step, you can choose to select an AWS support plan if you so desire. Most of us will be just fine with the basic or free plan, and we can always change that later. And as soon as you do that, Amazon will email your account details to the email you provided. Please make sure to use this account for the rest of the course. This has been creating a cloud account with AWS.